Venomous snakes. These snakes produce venom that they use to immobilize prey or defend themselves. Their venom can affect the nervous system, blood, or body tissues depending on the species, and even small amounts can be powerful. They are found across nearly every continent except Antarctica, adapting to deserts, forests, and grasslands. What sets them apart is their specialized fangs, which can inject venom in a quick, controlled strike. Some species can even regulate how much venom they use, conserving it when needed. Despite their reputation, most avoid confrontation and only strike when threatened, playing an important role in controlling pest populations. Constrictor snakes. These snakes kill by wrapping their bodies around prey and tightening until the animal can no longer breathe or circulate blood properly. Unlike venomous species, they rely entirely on strength and precise timing. They are commonly found in tropical and subtropical regions, where they may live in trees, on land, or near water. Their jaws can stretch wide, allowing them to swallow prey whole, sometimes much larger than their head. After feeding, they can go weeks or even months without eating again, conserving energy in environments where food may not always be available. Colubrid snakes. This is the largest and most diverse group of snakes, making up the majority of known species. Most are non-venomous, though some possess mild venom delivered through rear fangs. They can be found in a wide range of habitats, from dense forests to dry deserts, and even human settlements. Their adaptability is one of their greatest strengths, allowing them to thrive in changing environments. Many species are fast-moving and rely on agility rather than power. They often feed on small animals like insects, frogs, and rodents, quietly maintaining balance in their ecosystems. Elapid snakes. These snakes are highly venomous and known for their fixed, hollow fangs at the front of the mouth. They include species that rely on speed and precision rather than repeated strikes. Their venom typically affects the nervous system, causing paralysis that can stop breathing. Found in warm regions of Africa, Asia, Australia, and the Americas, they occupy a variety of habitats from forests to open plains. Some species are known for their warning displays, raising part of their body or spreading a hood to appear larger. Even so, many prefer to retreat rather than engage. Viperid snakes. These snakes are recognized by their long, hinged fangs that fold back when not in use. They deliver venom through a rapid strike, often releasing and then tracking their prey until it weakens. Found across many parts of the world, they rely heavily on camouflage, blending into leaves, sand, or rocky terrain. Their venom can cause severe tissue damage and disrupt blood clotting, making them highly effective hunters. Many species also have heat-sensing pits that allow them to detect warm-blooded prey even in darkness, giving them an advantage during night hunts. Sea snakes. These snakes have adapted almost completely to life in the ocean, rarely coming onto land. Their bodies are flattened from side to side, with paddle-like tails that help them move smoothly through water. Most are highly venomous, yet they are generally calm and not aggressive toward humans. They are commonly found in warm coastal waters, especially in the Indian and Pacific Oceans. Some species can absorb oxygen through their skin, allowing them to stay underwater for extended periods. Their diet mainly consists of fish and eels, which they hunt with quiet precision. Blind snakes. These small, burrowing snakes spend most of their lives underground, hidden from view. Their eyes are tiny and covered by scales, making them nearly blind, but they rely on touch and smell to navigate. They feed mainly on ants, termites, and their larvae, often entering nests unnoticed. Found in many parts of the world, they are often mistaken for earthworms due to their size and smooth bodies. Their role in controlling insect populations makes them important, even if they are rarely seen by humans. Arboreal snakes. These snakes live primarily in trees, where they move with balance and control. Their slender bodies and strong muscles allow them to grip branches and climb with ease. Many have excellent vision, helping them judge distances as they move through the canopy. Found mostly in tropical forests, they often feed on birds, eggs, and small mammals. Some species can glide short distances from tree to tree by flattening their bodies, reducing the need to descend to the ground. Living above the forest floor helps them avoid predators and find new food sources. Fossorial snakes. These snakes are specialized for digging and spending most of their lives beneath the surface. Their bodies are cylindrical and smooth, reducing resistance as they move through soil or sand. Their heads are often shaped like wedges, helping them push through tight spaces. They feed on small underground creatures, such as insects and larvae. Found in a variety of climates, they play a role in soil health by loosening and aerating the ground. Because they rarely emerge, many species remain poorly studied. Semi-Aquatic snakes. These snakes divide their time between land and water, adapting to both environments. They're strong swimmers, using side-to-side movements to glide through water with ease. Their eyes and nostrils are positioned to allow them to see and breathe while mostly submerged. Found near rivers, lakes, and wetlands, they feed on fish, amphibians, and small animals. Their flexibility in habitat allows them to survive in changing conditions, especially in areas where water levels shift throughout the year.